Ebusu Excellency the President John Mahama taking decision say to anamubia Ghana for ne bonye so. It omune no clash. Na metime boase. Achechiro am wate ase no akere wadwen ama me. Ewo comment section. Ahi Penyah block media. Mess bro say any dey mo. Obe like video no da mo put subscribe button somebody click verification code update number chere wadwen dey ama me. Ewo comment section so baso. No she for so enya bia hwe. Ewiasa frenya bia we ko bia no oman bia ay allow dual citizenship. Say owo woman mu ebia ofiri Ghana no aba America but opeto say be American citizen. Akonya wo ho no mo obetimi akura citizenship mienu. Oba fia o ye Ghana ni okọ America so a o ye American ni. Saa de no Ghana ha e wa ha no mo say ye twere 1992 constitution no ana ye de hye mu bie. But ye de ehye bi to ho ese fine. Say o ye dual citizen ena wa Ghana ha no mo a emra kwan mu no obetimi ato aba efi say ye din ga kire Ghana mra no na ye makwai na Ghana ye makwai sa obetwa betre oman mu akura citizenship mienu bia wo ye Nigeria no aba Ghana ha no mo a emra so wo kwai obetwa betre ha no mo abebo bra bewo ai bibia wo ha no mo but woni pa na betre Ghana ha no mo ye mra mu no 1992 constitution ye no na ema kwai sa abato obetu bi woni adwen bia be kire da bi woni adwen bia ba be kire na emra ema ho kwai sa but 1996 anya de sa de no ekọ ye de call parliament omkodwendwene ho woforo ms had call corner there be e was e makwai na de okura dual citizenship the moment e da no say oye Ghana ni ne de e was e man kwa man to aba ema that time no table for 10 or really in favor of that bill ema e be ye mra say ne from 1986 e be nyina no say oye Ghana ni anase ufuro ba bi o ma ho furo mu ano abetena Ghana ha ese kura Ghana citizenship wa idura batu a obetimi eduko kurubeti akwakotu abane bi dese wa kire utumi ewo Ghana hanmo but eno no na emra esa wo ho abatu na betimi atu bie ba se ye ma opposition eno de da bi untimi contest for assemblyman untimi contest for MP untimi contest for bibia but about there ye be mo atu bi then so no holding public office in Ghana had ye there be ye mra ne ma okwansa Emma Kwanza. But year 2024 election mu no. Ana hu say Mahama eye campaign. Na the campaign na all can same way.
The people of Asinno elected a person to represent them in parliament. This government has manipulated the judiciary in such a way that they've injuncted the member of parliament for Asinno. So even though he is the elected member, he cannot perform the duties of an MP. That is a gross injustice. And it's an affront to our democracy. But I want to assure the people of Ghana, and I want to assure the people like Jeche Kwesim, that is our member of parliament for Asinno, that when NDC comes into power, we are going to clarify that constitutional provision that compels them to give up their foreign citizenship before they contest elections. A country's human resource is its best resource, and we happen to have about 3 million of our citizens abroad. They've acquired experience, they've acquired different talents, and why would we have a law that says that if you want to come and be an MP in Ghana, you must give up your other citizenship? Meanwhile, we have a dual citizenship law. We're going to clarify it. They can come and stand for parliament, they can come and hold office in Ghana. They don't have to give up their other citizenship to be able to hold those offices. They've acquired different talents. And why would we have a law that says that if you want to come and be an MP in Ghana, you must give up your other citizenship? Meanwhile, we have a dual citizenship law. We're going to clarify it. They can come and stand for parliament. They can come and hold office in Ghana. They don't have to give up their other citizenship to be able to hold those offices. I know that 2024, inshallah, NDC is going to win the 2024 election. A lot of people think about NDC and Delhi. Now we call it.
And I was like, and seven I says oh be makwai ama dual citizens who more Ghana ha no omu anya kwenya ahodi public position ewo Ghana ha sene se ho but his excellency e dey campaign excellency nyame adu na se toma na ɔwɛne na ɔba ɔbɛma kwai ama dual citizens senka I show speed eba Ghana ha ya on free Ghana ha ya nwone ha on free ha mo onye Ghana ni mo no ɔba ya che se yebema ne Ghana din ewo ha esema ne citizenship ewo Ghana ha no mo no anka show speed no now ɔba Ghana or qualify se ɔkɔ contest ebeye MP ebeye assemblyman ebeye bibia but Ghana na yemra so enkyere sa Ghana na yemra enkyere sa hoho a ofu bi mamu a betena Ghana a wo so be Ghana ni uni kwan se o contest and that uni kwan se hold the public position no emra ma ho kwan sa but Mahama e dey campaign there just Mahama ewe ne ye no eni hu se wa form bibi se ayefro mu constitution review committee se omunko tena se na Ghana mara baitan omunko domosuko enko hwemu bia niema bi wo mu a ho behia se ye be ensa kira e wo mu kwansma eno de ba ye se eni ho behia se that emra no that article no clause no section e wo constitution kire say we a dual citizen now Ghana ha no mu a it doesn't allow you, it doesn't permit you to hold public position, you know. E was say ye ensa kira e wo mu na ye ma permission say obi a Nigeria ni fine of Nigeria ho no asaba Ghana ha no wabeye Ghana ni ekura Ghana citizenship that's now no nipa kro no okura dual citizenship e won say go fu nyina de mu ma kwanya na omu etimi hold public positions e de bo o mai konkon Ghana e ma me ko mu say Nigeria ni bi o Nigeria for ni be mo Ghana ha no mo e be ye press conference on this issue
ye tu abama ni ye ye tu ma yesu ma ni ye enti we are all Ghanaians but obi a won roots ye root ne Nigeria enti and so your life ne na the somewhat tikokoso enti na mo say asodie wa ha no and there's something peculiar a been tense in all the tribes in the world crap arata for na esum toko nsi uko ufia there's a Christian there's a Muslim mo share observation wa Muslims pa na edoso aye baha say anka certain community been see but in Nigeria ekutimi si Boko Haram bebe and the Yoruba party need the first money there and time fan to come back. That's why we are also here living peace and harmony with our brother and sister Amoye Asante for.
Nabusia asa agro ase serious asa agro aso mbeye aso munye nansi ye gotie mu a omu da kwa kopie mu parliament His Excellency Mahama or the ama ne ministers no amomu da kopie mu e wo Ghana parliament hono a omu kire se now no omu pese parliament e pass bill no ye gitum se ye makwai ese so obi a Nigeria ni no obetena Ghana ha no abebobra na wabe naturalize na se waba abeje Ghana citizenship fine or se kura ne citizenship e wo Nigeria na ya mara kire se bibisa no so obese onya position e wo Ghana ha just one udi kan se wo Nigeria citizenship nansa now holding only one citizenship but to hold dual citizenship the Ghana you don't qualify for public position but Ghana now do kire say ye makwai na ye nya saade no e mom de kopie mu Ghana parliament na eno ana amafo je say he is excellency pa e na person ba Ghana hanum saade ye no nya adwene eti no ko na sabra biem na ye ntia ase ma saade a obi ye no e ma Nigeria fo na abagi twi abenya ano e wo Ghana ha ntia ase ma wasa.
First of all, the NDC should not repeat the same mistake the NPP did. That is by refusing to listen to us. If we Ghanaians, we say we don't want something, cancel it. We don't want it. We told NPP we don't want betting tax. They brought it. We don't want e-levy. They brought it. Later they were NDC. That dual citizenship thing you want to do, we said we don't want it. Don't even consider it. Don't take it to Parliament for consideration. We don't want it. But then one thing I don't understand is that 300 people go and sit in one chamber and then decide the fate of 33 million people, and then they will not even ask about the input or the suggestion of the 33 million people. They're just going to do what they want to do. Now, just look at this absurd thing that our parliamentarians are thinking about. Bill to allow persons with dual citizenship to hold public office. Like, look, this thing, they want to pass this bill because of their children. All these politicians, their children hold dual citizenship. It's because of their children. There's nothing you tell me. You see their children, it's either they born them there or they send them there to go in school. So if their children are born there or raised there, then they will have access to get the citizenship of that particular country. So they have Ghanaian citizenship, then let's say they'll have UK or US citizenship. You understand? Now, they will grow there, do their things there, and then later they'll say, oh, I'm ready to serve my motherland. Then they'll come back and start contesting for political positions, holding dual citizenship. We will not allow it. Parliamentarians, we don't want... Look, these are some of the things that the NPP did that way they lose pot like that. Oh. Don't pass it. If you are not, if you don't hold single or solo citizenship, don't hold any political position. It's that simple. So somebody will be called Oluwafemi Johnson. He's the vice president. No, try that dual citizenship. No try, Amo. We don't try it. You understand? They want to pave the way for their children to come in. We don't want it. We don't like it. Don't even consider it. We don't want it.
Abusia, many abre. Sometimes on ye dia go, but this time they now good debut. Debi. Mama minka bibincha the NDC MPs omugu parliament. And the NDC government muna mutie. Debut itiamu to opposition mo to maye ye bebe changes and society and a bra. Namuba ye be shamra amana benefit ye need to move on nyina no. We and mo de mo pesa mo hihye meboa. When a wuhiamo when we is a 180 something of parliament super majority jamudi yemi yantumamu yedimi kan o pray kre more parliament mo kwasam na manem benefit Ghana for nyina no when am kwasam mra when am de ato eji to mawia mo beto ho aba a b mempe mo wia na say mo esosidia na majatu meboa NDC MPs super majority meboa hwe mo de mo pamon try on na side we maso mo de mo pamon try na mo njitum na mo hwa ade hwe abusia unum de si say bill to allow persons with dual citizenship to hold public office laid in parliament for consideration and say since the say parliament omo the bill be able to omo be twu dawro me fuaso ye beto so ba say nipa oya dual citizenship e be a citizenship citizen of America as a citizen of Ghana o just say obetumi hold public office like how for real Tanya citizen is it like onya citizen of America just visa of already dual citizenship just visa or the America ye be never Ghana kwa na kwa bwachi bidin ye be never Ghana no ye tumi it can imagine so ofurata ewo dual citizenship nkade ne besi say ko ofurata I hold public office as finance minister and one ba sema ye cheno ye twi fanemba busa won say etika our dual citizenship nkade ne besi na ya to mama majority super majority and adede ye de tumi na ahye musa mo kwotena parliament wa de hunyam ni de ehunyam a monye na benefit Ghana for nyina no enya na moye de mo be ya emram be sha mo ana mo tete parliament o be benefit mo ena moye ade mo ya mo parliament won mo e be benefit mo ho mra ena mo hye meboa ene we de amba so ka kire mo hwe se ka odo aka ebi nwoma mo no mo de mo pa mo try mo mbo ne date to enke be ti mo ni se wan ko parliament ya to ma mo ngo sem na man benefit Ghana for nyina o se o emna de ko to se ye ko twu de re obi okuta dual citizenship no e be to be o do public office it go for that ekuta dual citizenship enka enka de be si visa for that de ko yo visa ye tumi man ma mani to ye kan ko be a kire mo o ja se the NDC majority in parliament ye ka biribi da kire mo be kan ko da kire mo o ja se His Excellency John Mahama o betena ko ja so ka se oba as gracia bia ai se o mo se wu o mo ko mo de mo no mo be twam ye twam na ero de hu hiamo eno mo de benefit muti mo nyanka wasam kwa na bill a mo de beto ai ye meto so aba na ye ji tumi ye se obi a dual citizenship o beto hold public office o foriata de visa Onya citizenship of that minor to no visa no to kwa yo Ghana fanem black Ghana to have number Ghana to have number na obe ka kire say sisi no my the bill be a parliament. Say my joy obi kuta dual citizenship. Obi to me do public of move on command. Move on command. Come at it.
Ghanaians, something is happening right now in Ghana and we have to pay attention. There is a bill that has been sent to Parliament for the dual citizenship persons to be able to hold public office. Now, listen, please pay attention. If they are doing that, because that law it was there already, it's supposed to allow Ghanaians who have dual citizenship outside of Ghana, true Ghanaians, blood Ghanaians, to be able to hold public office. But now, your Mahama, is trying to push the law so that foreigners who hold dual citizenship in Ghana to hold public office, which is a dangerous act. Asema Bagana, you to pay attention, please. If you're Ghanaian, I'm begging you, send this video. Let's push this video and let's make noise about this. So they have sent that dual citizenship proposal, whatever bill, to Parliament, and they are going to sign the bill, and we have to make noise so that they don't sign that bill, unless they give a clause that if you steal money, you have to face the firing squad. If they don't put that clause in, then they will not sign that bill. We have to push it. Ghana, let's shine our eyes. If you are not a true Ghanaian born who had gone to UK or anywhere else to gain another citizenship, you cannot hold public office. Why does a Nigerian want to hold a public office in Ghana? Why does a Fulani want to hold public office in Ghana? Why does Mahama want? Even he has made the Korean guy. You see that Korean guy? He's now an ambassador. It's a public office, but he has made this Korean guy. He has made this Korean guy an ambassador, which is not even in the law. Mahama has broken that law. And then he has also allowed a Nigerian, a Yoruba man, to become a ambassador to UAE, which is against the law. So how many of these foreigners has he appointed in office secretly? Now that they are putting the bill in Parliament for it to become law, but he has already broken the law before he's doing it. Now they want to accommodate foreigners. And when I say foreigners, they want to accommodate people who are not true Ghanaians, people who have naturalized as Ghanaians to become citizens, to become public officers. Then they are going to steal our money and they will go scot-free. Ghanaians, please, let's push this narrative. Let's make sure we don't allow those parliamentarians to sign that document. Let's make loud noise, because the media, they don't make a lot of noise about it, because these people, it suits them, because most of the media personnel and all those people are Nigerians and foreigners who want to. Soon you see Albanese standing for public position in Ghana. Let's open our eyes.
Guys, the rate of how Ghana is heading to right now is getting out of hand. Ghana is getting dangerous by John Mahama and his government. Guys, in my previous video, I made a video concerning how Igbos has been established in Ghana. The same thing. Soon, Yoruba people will follow, and then Fulani people too will follow. And right now, it has come to pass. Right now, we have discovered Yoruba Kingdom in Kasua. Ghana has discovered Yoruba Kingdom in Kasua, and recently, we have I saw a video about Fulani people. They too, they have their kingdom in Ghana. John Mahama, do you think about Ghanaians? Do you think about Ghana, a country called Ghana? How big is Ghana? John Mahama, how big is Ghana? This one, I won't blame John Mahama alone. The chiefs in Ghana, what are you people two doing? What kind of legacy are you guys leaving behind? You will see a king selling land for Nigerian criminals selling your land. If this is what your ancestors should have done, is there going to be a single land for you to inherit? Ghanaian chiefs, I say you, some of you, the wicked chiefs in Ghana. Now, we have Igbo Kingdom in Ghana. We have Yoruba Kingdom in Ghana. And then we have Fulani Kingdom in Ghana. Look at the rate of how Ghana is heading to. Look at where Ghana is heading to. It's getting dangerous. Ghana is getting dangerous day and night. Mahama is punishing Ghanaians, using Nigerians to punish Ghanaians. John Mahama, if you can remember, I know when it comes to education-wise, you are way ahead of me. Mahama, you knew when Kwame Nkrumah was trying to make Africa United States of Africa, there are 3 countries in Africa who betrayed Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. And you, John Dramani Mahama, you know these countries. Nigeria is part of them. Nigeria is part of them. You know all this. Mahama, to be honest, you are destroying Ghana. Mahama is destroying Ghana. He is using Nigerians to destroy Ghana. Nigeria is part of those 3 countries who rejected Kwame Nkrumah's plan. And on top of that, John Dramani Mahama, you were saying that you were fond of Kwame Nkrumah. I quite remember I watched a video. There is an interview. There is an interview between you and Woody Maya. Woody Maya asks you, are you fond of Kwame Nkrumah? You said yes. You can see how liar you are. When Kwame Nkrumah was alive, Kwame Nkrumah was thinking about Ghanaians. He was thinking about, Ghanaian citizens. If Mahama is still a hypocrite, when Rollins was alive, just look at his first time. He didn't try this kind of moves. But now, John Dramani Mahama has become a godfather. He has become a godfather for NDC. So right now, when he says something, everybody have to take it or everybody have to shut up. Mahama, you know the conflict between Igbo, Yoruba, and then Fulani peoples in Nigeria. Now there is a video I watched like 6 or 3 days ago. There is a Yoruba people saying that they are Ghanaians. They are Ghanaian vote, what do you call it? Yeah, they are Ghanaians. That is kind of like they are in Ghana. They are living in Ghana peacefully and all that. Have you seen which part of this world have you seen a Nigerian has ever kind of like make a peace before? All the time, everywhere Nigerians go, there's always a problem. Everywhere Nigerians go, there's always a problem. Whereby you, John Dramani Mahama, you know all this. Across the globe, if you visit every part of the world, there is a Nigerian prisoner. Everywhere you go, we will find a Nigerian prisoner across the world. And John Dramani Mahama, you are right now, you are giving them the veto power. You are giving them morale to come out and say, and do whatever they want to do. What are you doing to Ghanaians? Is it this is the reason why Ghanaians vote for you? Look at the massive love Ghanaians showed to you. Ghanaians voted a lot for you. But this is the punishment. This is how you are going to punish Ghanaians. You are wicked. What Ghanaians have done to you like that, for you to treat Ghanaians like this, you don't even care. You don't even care. Look at what is happening. Even your country. Sorry, what do you call it? The region you came from, northern region. Northern region, there's no single piece in northern region right now. Look at Boko. Look at what is happening in Boko. You haven't solved that one. But John Dramani Mahama and his government, they can stick their nose in the business between United States and Venezuela. This is what you guys thinking of. You have to sit down and what do you call it, and write a letter. And write a letter to United States government. Is U.S. part of? Is U.S. part of ECOWAS? Or is Venezuela part of African Union? Tell me. Now look at Ghana soldiers. Look at there's a whole lot of Ghanaian soldiers right now. Some of them are on retirement. Some of them are about to retire, and those who are coming to retire, most of them even don't have a quota plot to even put up a structure on it. When they get retired, I say, what are they going to? What are they going to enjoy? But John Mahama have money. Mahama can donate to Gaza. Mahama can donate to Gaza. You can have hypocrites you are. When was the last time Gaza donate? When was the last time Ghana donate to? Gaza. When was the last time Gaza donate to Ghana? When was the last time? Just ask yourself. You don't care. You don't care about your citizens. You see, recently, Ghanaians has been attacked and killed in Burkina Faso terrorists. What did you do about it? You didn't do anything about it. You just went to the hospital and visit the victim, those who are alive. You just visit them to know that. Supposing those victims are ministers, by this time you should have fried them, right? By this time they will be in Europe for treatment. But because those guys are nobody, you just went out there, visit them, and all that. That's it. What are you going to do about it? You can't do anything about it. You see, this is the type of Ghana we are living. Ghanaians, you need to stand up. Ghanaian youth, stand up. I watched a video recently. Somebody have sent me a video. There is some Biafra Ghanaians in Nigeria. They said they are coming to Ghana. They are coming to show those Nigerian pepper. And to be honest, if it is true, that move is going to come in. I'm telling you, I'll buy plane tickets. Because I hate nonsense. The stupid thing is going on in Ghana must stop. I will buy plane tickets and go to Ghana. I'm telling you, to go and support that. Ghana doesn't belong to John Mahama and his government or his family. John Mahama is destroying Ghana. You guys have to speak the truth to power. We are Ghanaians. Ask yourself, where Ghanaians are going if something happened in Ghana? Let's think.
Chira wa adwe mame e wo comment section. Ayi Penyah Media. Aka.